Whoever told you that you can't find a reliable car for under $5,000, either they don't know what they're talking about or they're trying to sell you something overpriced. But guess what? That's not true. These 13 cars prove that being broke doesn't mean you have to settle for junk. They're budget-friendly, but they also deliver real value, reliability, durability, and features that hold up surprisingly well even today. Number 13, 2004-2005 Toyota RAV. This compact SUV is known for its long-lasting 2.4L four-cylinder engine pushing 160 horsepower. Available in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive, it's a perfect mix of city conveniences and light off-road capability. It comes with ABS brakes, side and curtain airbags, and a reputation for surviving well over 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Rear seats are removable, increasing cargo space substantially. Number 12, 2003-2005 Honda Element. The Element is a quirky, functional SUV built for adventurous drivers. Its 2.4L K24 engine is one of Honda's most dependable. It features wide-opening rear-hinged doors, no B-pillar, a washable rubber floor, and seats that fold into a bed. Great for camping or hauling gear. Downside? Fuel economy isn't great and cabin noise is noticeable, but the utility and low maintenance costs make up for it. Number 11, 2003-2006 Toyota Matrix. Mechanically identical to the Corolla and the Pontiac Vibe, the Matrix offers hatchback utility with sedan-like handling. Its 1.8L engine, also used in the Corolla and Celica, is a proven workhorse. AWD models are rare but worth it in snowy regions. Standard features included power windows, AC, and optional sunroof. Rear seats fold flat, and the cargo floor is plastic-lined, great for hauling messy gear. Number 10, 2002-2006 Lexus S330. This is where luxury meets Toyota reliability. The ES330 runs on a smooth 3.3L V6 engine mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission. You get a soft, quiet ride, leather upholstery, power everything, and a sunroof. Heated seats and a premium Mark Levinson sound system were optional. Look out for dashboard cracks and verify recall repairs. When well-maintained, these sedans can easily hit 300,000 miles. Number 9, 2002-2006 Toyota Camry. The 2.4L four-cylinder model is your safest bet. It's more reliable and efficient than the V6 options. It's a true commuter car. Simple, functional, and tough as nails. Base models came with basic cloth seats and CD players, while higher trims had power seats and alloy wheels. Common issue? Valve cover oil leaks. Nothing serious, but check before buying. Easily runs 400,000 plus miles. Number 8, 2005-2007 Pontiac Vibe. Underneath the GM badge, it's a Toyota. The Vibe shares the same engine and platform as the Matrix. It's slightly more stylish and just as reliable. The 1.8L engine is efficient and maintenance is cheap. Manual transmission versions get up to 36 mpg highway. Interior includes fold-flat rear seats and a cargo mat with tie-down hooks. Some models even had a 110V power outlet. Number 7, 2006-2007 Honda Accord offered with a dependable 2.4L i4 or a punchy 3.0L V6. This generation of Accord is often considered Honda's peak. The V6 versions came with optional leather, heated seats, and a 6-CD changer. All models feature strong resale value, great visibility, and high owner satisfaction. Manual transmission models are sportier and fun to drive. Common issues: power window regulators and ignition coils. Number 6, 2002-2007 Toyota Corolla, arguably one of the best compact cars ever made. The 1.8L engine is shared with the Matrix and Vibe. It's simple, cheap to repair, and gets up to 41 mpg on the highway. Basic trims came with AC, while LE trims included keyless entry and upgraded audio. These cars rarely die. Many hit 400,000 plus miles with only oil changes and brake pads. Number 5, 2007-2008 Subaru Forester, built for versatility. The Forester has a flat 4-boxer engine and full-time AWD. That low center of gravity improves handling, especially in snow. Standard safety features include ABS, side airbags, and electronic stability control. Higher trims had heated seats and panoramic sunroofs. Common issue? Head gasket leaks. Check service records to confirm repair. Tows up to 2400 lbs. Number 4, 2007-2009 Mazda. One of the most fun-to-drive compacts on a budget. The 2.0L version is efficient and low maintenance. The sportier 2.3L adds power, but can have oil leaks. Available as a sedan or hatchback, the Mazda 3 features tight steering, stylish design, and a surprisingly premium interior for its class. Avoid the Mazda Speed unless you want higher maintenance. Base models get up to 35 mpg highway. Number 3. 2009-2010 Mitsubishi Galant. A no-frills, dependable sedan. The 2.0 Myvec engine is easy to service, and the car comes with basics like power windows, cruise control, and decent trunk space. Interior is plain but functional. These models are often overlooked, which means lower prices and less competition. A good choice if you just need something reliable to get from A to B. Number 2. 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid. This midsize hybrid sedan blends a 2.5L gasoline engine with an electric motor for 191 combined horsepower. It drives smooth, shifts seamlessly thanks to its CVT transmission, and includes features like dual-zone climate control, a large digital dash, and voice controls. With proper care, batteries last 150k plus miles. Look for models with service records for hybrid system updates. Number 1. 2010-2012 Lincoln MKZ. Surprisingly luxurious for this price range. Based on the Ford Fusion platform, the MKZ adds leather upholstery, wood trim, heated cooled seats, and a THX-certified sound system. The 3.5L V6 delivers strong acceleration and the ride is whisper quiet. FWD and AWD versions are available. Fuel economy isn't great, 18 to 27 mpg, but reliability and comfort are top tier for under $5,000. Ready to shop smart? These aren't just cheap cars, they're smart buys. Whether you're a student, commuter, or someone just looking to escape monthly car payments, one of these 13 models could be your best move.